And welcome to another one of my presentations on Agile Enablement. Today, I want to talk about 13 aspects that I would like you to consider as you engineer your Agile Enablement, or as some people say, transformation. Typically, when organizations consider Agile adoption, they are trying to address one of 5 problems. Their products are not very valuable, or the quality is not acceptable, they're generating a lot of waste and rework, or their time to market is not good enough, or they're trying to create a healthier balance between risk and reward. So they start with some kind of training for the worker bees. It could be professional Scrum Master training or some kind of Agile training for the teams. And the hope is that it will create a long-lasting, sustainable Agile transformation, but it doesn't often work that way. So you might start wondering, if that doesn't work, what might? And here's a 13 aspect approach that seems to work better for our clients. So start with an agility assessment. A mediocre solution to the right problem is better than the perfect solution to the wrong problem. So it's possible that if you thought professional Scrum Master training is going to solve all your problems, but you misdiagnosed the root cause, then an agility assessment can help you implement the right solution based on the diagnosis. The most important aspect is executive alignment. We find that many times executives are pulling in different directions. So it's important before you start training the worker bees, the teams, that you get the executives to row in the same direction. Another challenge is executive focus. So having well understood corporate goals is super important. And then teaching the executives to be servant leaders. We often suggest that the executives form a self-managing Agile leadership team, and they try to deploy at least one thin vertical slice of organizational improvement every 30 days or less. Now we switch to product management. Before spending a lot of time and money training the teams to get more efficient at steering in a particular direction, it's important that we coach and train the product management organization to figure out where they want the teams to go. What is the destination? And we want our product management, product ownership organization to tell inspiring stories, because a self-managing Agile team can find the best path to the destination once they are clear what the inspiring and compelling destination is. Agile estimation and planning is another important aspect of your Agile transformation. Once the product management team has created an inspiring destination, then the entire Agile team can work together to create some data-driven, realistic estimates and forecasts that the whole organization and the stakeholders, internal and external stakeholders, can start planning towards. And then create a shared understanding of what it means to have Agile principles, values, and practices. This is where you might want to have some more tactical training of the teams, introduction to Agile, introduction to Scrum, professional Scrum Master, professional Scrum Developer, product owner, and so on and so forth. And now when you have the shared foundation, you start launching your Agile teams, you start nurturing the Agile communities. So there's a cross-pollination of ideas. People are learning from each other. You optimize through sprint reviews, through sprint retrospectives. People will be taking risks, doing things that maybe have not been done before. So appreciate, acknowledge those who are taking risk, celebrate learning, celebrate failure. The biggest failure is the failure to learn and course correct. And then if appropriate, scale agility. So these are the 13 steps or aspects, and they may fall under 4 broad categories: servant leadership, product management, self-managing teams, and your overall Agile organization. So these are 13 aspects we would recommend that you consider as you design your Agile enablement. If these ideas resonate with you, check out our blogs at smoothapps.com. We've got presentations, we've got webinars. Our YouTube channel has got lots of short videos like this one. Join our meetup community, Agile DevOps TFW, and follow our company page on LinkedIn. If you think we can help you, contact us, give us a call, send us an email, or just use the contact us page on our website. Hope you found this useful. Until our next conversation, thank you, keep calm, and scrum on.